Hello, my loves. It's your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan, and I cannot wait to share this decadent dessert with all of you today. We're making chocolate chip orange pancakes, or also known as my favorite way to brunchify, chocolate-covered oranges. So, y'all, let's get in the kitchen. Let's get going. Let's get glowing. And let's make ourselves some fierce pancakes.
Chocolate chip orange pancakes.
Mix it up, see what it makes.
Chocolate chip orange pancakes.
Dig on in,
There's no mistake. Chocolate chip orange pancakes.
every single ingredient is there.
Chocolate chip orange pancakes.
Dig on in,
There's no mistake.
We are creating a recipe, y'all, with Cacao Bliss. This is an incredible cacao powder, y'all. It's got MCT oil to give you energy, raw cacao, turmeric. I didn't even know if y'all knew that you needed turmeric in your pancakes, but you do, baby. So check this out. And you can also get 15% off of this Cacao Bliss goodness if you go to the link down below in this video, my love. So check it out. Y'all, let's make ourselves some pancakes. The first ingredient you're gonna need for this recipe is some gluten-free flour. So add in 1 cup of your gluten-free flour. Let's dig on into her. Oh, I love the smell, y'all. And first, what you're gonna wanna do is definitely incorporate all of the dry ingredients together first, and then we're gonna add in the liquid ingredients. This is to make sure that the batter doesn't get clumpy or weird or have any like extraness going on in it. I have my Cacao Bliss in here, got my gluten-free flour, and now I have some baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Add that into your dry ingredients. And now we're gonna whisk this together until it's well combined, and you'll see a nice cacaotacular creation to start to come together, my loves. Whisk it together, yeah, you know it's better. Whisk that dry batter up. Whoa. All right, it looks like all of my dry ingredients are incorporated. So now that means it's time to add in our applesauce as well as our maple syrup and other goodies. So of course, y'all, this is a chocolate chip orange pancake. So I got some fresh orange juice right here, y'all. I'm adding it into my bowl. 1 cup of my coconut milk. Ooh, nice and thick. So good. So y'all might be wondering, what's she gonna use as her binder? You know, typically when you make pancakes, you gotta use eggs. Well, since I'm vegan, I'm gonna be using some unsweetened applesauce. You can also use a flax egg if you want to, but I'm gonna be using some applesauce today because I love that extra bit of sweetness, and I just love how smooth and creamy the applesauce works, especially in the pancakes. Next, for a little bit more of some sweetness, y'all know I am obsessed with my maple syrup. I add it into everything, especially when I don't want to use organic sugar or just any kind of refined sugar at all in my recipes. I love me some maple syrup. 1/4 cup, 2 teaspoons of our vanilla extract. Ooh, I think that was a big one right there, so I'm gonna just add a little splash more. There we go. Hey, yo, we got ourselves a fresh orange. This is actually a blood orange deep down inside, so y'all know she's delicious. I'm gonna be adding in about 1/2 tablespoon of my orange zest. And honestly, my favorite way to zest an orange is actually to hold the orange still and then move your zester in a nice downward motion. And then what you're gonna do is just tap it off. Hey, orange zest, hey, hey. Add it into the bowl. Add it into the bowl. Add that orange zest into your bowl. Check it out. All of my ingredients are in my bowl right here, y'all. So now I'm gonna whisk it all together, and then we can fry them up in our pan. Whisk the pancake batter around. Whisk the pancake batter around until you don't see any clumps. Hey. So I don't see no clumps in my pancake batter, y'all. I don't want to over mix it, of course. So once you don't see any more clumps in your pancake batter, it's time to cook them up. Make sure the pan is covered in oil. All right, my pan is covered in oil. I got my batter right here. Let me get myself a scoop and then let her do her thing. Let her cook on up. Scoop and plop. Add some chocolate chips on top. Scoop and plop. Add some chocolate chips on top. Y'all, we're gonna add some mini chocolate chips right here on top. And of course, it's gonna add in that chocolate chip element into our pancakes. Whenever she's a little bit cooked and crispy, ready to be flipped, we're gonna scoop and plop. Let's chit chat about this chocolate orange drizzle we got right here. It's such a simple recipe, my loves. All you need is 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of that cacao powder, Cacao Bliss. And then you're gonna be adding in 2 teaspoons of some orange zest, y'all. So, and this is just gonna be drippy and drizzly and just, decadent. In fact, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's go for it. Hello, you're good, you're delicious, I love you. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, I think she ready. Ooh, I think she ready. Ooh, I think she ready. Ready to scoop and plop. All right, let's see. Ooh, yes, scoop and plop. Form it into a better circle. Whenever after you're done scooping and plopping as well, I always like to just get my spatula in here and just form it into an even better perfect sphere. So there we go, y'all. Okay. Oh, she is ready to flip and she's ready to plop. Just like that, y'all. Oh, she is cute. I like her. I like you, pancake. You are beautiful. Look at her, y'all. Check it out. We have our beautiful stack of sensational pancakes. Now it's time to add on all of our fun fierce toppings, as well as that chocolate drizzle I was talking about. Let's start off this stack with a little bit of love from our chocolate drizzle. Pour that on over. Ooh, a nice decadent layer, just like that. Look at that. Oh, y'all, it's already so good. Now that I have my chocolate drizzle layer, I'm gonna add on some pistachios. I have some crushed pistachios as well as some whole pistachios. I love a good mixture. So add that all on top. So shaved almonds. Boom! She pretty. And then some more chocolate chips, of course. Actually, let's go in. Chocolate chip orange pancakes. More chocolate chips on top, inside, all around, everything that you need. And we're gonna finish off with some fresh orange slices as well as some orange zest. Just look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at my mouth. It's going in. Why is it so good? Why? Holy snap, my loves. I had such an incredible time vibing, singing, grooving, creating some incredibly decadent desserts with all of you here in my kitchen. Don't forget to go to onegreatvegan.com, get yourself a copy of my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all, there are over 120 music-infused recipes in there. And don't forget to also visit the link down below. Get yourself 15% off of this incredible Cacao Bliss, y'all. It is giving me bliss in every single bite. I hope y'all enjoy this decadent dessert, and I cannot wait to see you all next time here with me in the kitchen. Until then, don't forget to sing your song, do your dance, and y'all best believe you better speak your truth. Goodbye, my loves.